here is the Air Jordan 1 High 85 in the neutral grey colourway. These are amazing and probably one of my favourite Jordans to release this year. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing probably my best sneakers win ever. This is the Air Jordan 1 High 85 in the neutral grey colourway. Before I get into this video, it is sponsored by Legitmark, just like all my other videos. And that is the safest and most secure place to get your sneakers legit checked. So if you're purchasing a pair which has a resale of over £400 like these do, you'll want to get those checked because you don't want to be scammed. So obviously it comes in that red Nike Jordan box. I got these in a true to size 9 and I actually won them on sneakers. And I have no idea how I won them. I woke up late and I think I entered maybe 6 minutes into the raffle. I know it's just a draw, but I guess maybe that's the key. Enter late, don't enter immediately. That's probably my little bit of advice, even though I never win, so not really one for giving out advice. Anyway, open it up. Obviously it has that Air Jordan 23 paper on the top. And my one piece of advice if you've purchased this shoe is that the shoes come individually wrapped. If you're reselling them or anything like that, don't unwrap them because they are a nightmare to put back. So obviously they look really messy because I've already unboxed these, but they normally actually are completely neatly packaged. So take that into consideration. And then here is the other one as well. That's pretty much it for the box. So move that to the side. And here is the, no, I'm kidding, it's already wrapped, so open it up. Here is the Air Jordan 1 High 85 in the neutral grey colourway. These are amazing and probably one of my favourite Jordans to release this year. So now we've unwrapped both pairs. Look at that. Look at that shoe. You'll know if you've watched my channel for a while, neutral colours, greys, creams, beiges are my thing. I absolutely love them. So you can see this shoe is right up my street. It's one of my favourite releases and favourite colourways ever to release. So these did actually release before and these are a re-release of the same colourway. They've just pretty much done them exactly the same. And to be honest, I'm not that fussed about that because the other price of the other ones was pretty high, and these ones are really, really good. The quality on them is absolutely amazing. I'll give you a close-up of the leather, and you can see how good that leather is. The stitching quality all over the shoe is top quality, and that suede nubuck is absolutely gorgeous. I think they've done a really, really good job. Well, mainly on the first version, but again, the second version is the same colour, so really, really good job of the colour choices throughout this shoe. Just everything about this shoe screams high quality and it is a top 10 release for me this year. On the left one you can see it does come with a spare set of laces in the grey colour as well as that Jordan tag on the side, which just gives it something special for the shoe. I don't think I'll be putting in the grey laces. I think that all white upper on the top just looks absolutely spectacular, and I still haven't decided if I'm actually going to wear these. I love them so much, but that clean all white look is very difficult to wear in the UK. These will get ruined within one wear. So I think I might have to leave these on display for a while and maybe bring them out in the future or sell them in the future. But these are so nice. I do have a fake pair on the way and I will be doing a comparison of these and the University Blue Jordan 1s, so check that out later on. I got these in a true to size 9. They fit just like every other Jordan 1 pretty much for me personally, but you could be different for yourselves. Obviously the style is a little different because it is styled on the old 85s, so that is something to note. So it doesn't look, well, it kind of looks like a Jordan 1 obviously, but it doesn't look like a normal Jordan 1 in certain ways. So if you like something different, I would say get these, because the more I look at the shoe, the more I want to wear it. This shoe is amazing. So this was just a short review. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, do all that stuff. It really does help the channel grow. And let me know down below in the comments if you copped a pair of these for retail, resell, or what you're doing with them. Do you like them? Let me know down below. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today so this is the Air Jordan 1 High 85 and in the neutral grey colourway. So just looking at that. This is the Air Jordan 1 High. This is the Air Jordan High. This is the Air Jordan 1 High 85. 85, man, why am I talking like that?